What's up, good people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alex here, aka the Corporate Finesser, and this channel is for women who are new business owners finessing gracefully along the way. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can layer glitter heat transfer vinyl onto any shirt like the one I have on right now. You guys can see that. The glitter with the pink and the white. Really cute, really girly. So, if this is what you want to learn here today, then just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so if you watch a few of my videos so far, you know that I like to pretty much show you what I'm going to be using before I really jump into the video. So I don't want to miss any details for y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that I already got my pieces cut out for each layer. Got the glitter. This is so pretty. Oh, and it looks good with my nails. Ow. And then I have the white, and I have this really cute light pink. I'm so sorry, I don't know what this pink color is called, but I'll find it for y'all and then link it in the description box below. But for the gold, if you're interested, oh, there we go, perfect. So it's Siser Rose Gold. Got it from Heat Transfer Warehouse. Not sponsored at all, but I really enjoy this brand, this company, so I always shop there. Then of course, my cutting mat, my Cameo, my heat press, and that is it. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch over to my laptop to show you how you can start layering your design. Alright you guys, we are back into the Silhouette Studio. I feel like we're going to get very acquainted with this Silhouette Studio. I just used the basic edition. I don't have any of the designer or business edition, but I've been thinking about getting it. But anyway, I'm rambling. Let me just get into it. So I wanted to show you first how the design is going to end up looking for your layering. So for what I have on today, just for Manifest, I went ahead and started out with my first layer. I created an offset to get the second layer here. And then lastly, I created an offset for my second layer to get my third layer. So we're going to go through all of that today with a new design I just think of, but I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a blank canvas, but change my dimensions because the Silhouette software kind of picks up where you left off, but that's okay. You just gotta have to change it when you start if you don't want the dimensions that it's already on. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the width back at 12, and I'm gonna make the height like 5. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's decent. That is actually, let me zoom out to see. Yeah, I think that's actually perfect. Cool. I'm in my blank canvas, and I want to go ahead and start making my design. I'm going to go ahead to my left hand side here for my text. Let's do this. Girl boss. Got a nice reminder there. Thank you. Girl boss. Gonna make it bigger. And I'm going to also change the font. So let me go ahead and do that to show y'all. Now what you're going to do is go over here to your left hand side and select this star to start your offset. I'm going to go ahead and select offset, and I typically, honestly, I think I just stay with the actual default, but if you would like to increase your offset, as you see the shape kind of now enhances and you have like just like the double shape around the actual letters. But if you wanted to like make that bigger, you can increase it by a little bit, you know, so that way, again, it just enhances it. I'm going to probably keep it at 0.140. I think that looks fine. So now I'm going to select apply. Okay, so here is the design with the first offset feature. I'm going to go ahead and select the text, kind of like click inside of the L, because I want to drag this down and just drag it over. That's cool. I'll go ahead and just put it off to the side. And now for the actual offset shape, we're going to offset this too next. So then what I'm going to do, and what I should have done, just grouping this together, you can just click and drag, and you can go up here to object. You can go to group using this method. So now I want to offset the offset. I'm going to go ahead and select offset. Okay, so I think that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and select apply. And now if I go ahead and click on the L again and girl, I can drag that down. And now I just have the literal just outline of the second offset from the first design. So that's pretty much all you have to do to get started with layering. If you want to, you're more than welcome to like fill in the color, so you can kind of like play around with what it's going to look like. So let's do that. Hey friends, what's up? So if you guys didn't know, I am on my journey to reaching 1,000 subscribers and my watch time to become monetized on YouTube, and I really would like your help. So let me go ahead and break down the giveaway details. I'm going to be giving away 5 free t-shirts to 5 lucky winners by doing the following thing. Number 1, you got to subscribe to my channel. Number 2, you got to go to my Etsy shop and favorite my shop, and I'll leave the link in the description box below. And then number 3, after you've done all of that, message me through Etsy by typing new subby, and that's all you have to do. Those are the giveaway details in qualifying to win a free t-shirt of your choice. And then once I select the 5 lucky winners, you'll be able to pick any t-shirt from Black Mantras that you would like. But thank you. Let's jump back into the video. So if you guys can see, and I'll go ahead and zoom in, you can see with each color, that was the offset that was created. I just filled in the shape so you can actually see the actual distinction of what we're about to layer. Okay, so now I'm going to pretty much pull apart each design, just drag it over until I need it. And went ahead and start with my 3rd layer of offset. I'm going to flip it because we have to flip it horizontally. I'm going to go ahead and send it to the silhouette Cameo. So as I mentioned earlier, the silhouette just remembers like your last used like settings or your options. So all you have to do is just manually switch that. So because my first layer is going to be glitter, I'm going to go ahead and select my settings for my glitter. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my, my transfer options or whatever material I'm using. I personally already have my glitter vinyl preset, which means I just go ahead and find it and I just labeled it use this one, as you guys can see, and I don't have to like worry about what force I should use, how high should my tool settings be. So I went ahead and just did that for myself. Also, when it comes to glitter, I just make sure it's on cut edge. Just again, glitter vinyl for heat transfer is very thick, so I think that it will be best to make sure that you have it on cut edge versus cut. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and send it to the Cameo. This is the first layer of our layering design. Alright you guys, so I'm going to just repeat the same steps for my last 2 layers, and then once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and switch the camera back to myself so I can show you how to layer them. Alright you guys, so I have all of my designs cut and weeded. Just went ahead and did that off camera. So now I'm going to show you how you pretty much start with your glitter layer, then your kind of like more solid colors to finish out the design. Now if you guys have watched me thus far in a few of my other videos, I mentioned how I do this all by myself as far as the filming part. So please bear with me as far as like my angles and stuff. So this is my first layer. Girl Boss, the first offset. Gonna start with that one. I'm gonna go ahead and peel. Just take my time, but with glitter HTV, you typically can do a hot peel. I think that's the best way. So you're good there. Okay, cool. Ooh. Alrighty. Look at that. Okay. You guys see that? Got the second layer, so you can actually start seeing, like, making out what the actual design says. And there you have it, y'all. The final finish of layering heat transfer vinyl, starting with the glitter, then moving the way on to the light pink solid, and then the white solid. Alright, so that is it. I hope this helps you guys put together how to layer your vinyl, how to make it look really neat and clean. And there you have it. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video on how to layer heat transfer vinyl, specifically using the glitter heat transfer vinyl for you guys who are just beginning out there and just kind of didn't know how to get that started. If you like videos like this on how to use your swing press, how to make your t-shirts, how to pretty much get over that hump as a beginner t-shirt maker, then please subscribe, like, and comment. Join the Finesser community. I'll be happy to show you more along the way. But as always, don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and always choose yourself first. And I will catch you in my next video.